Becoming a millionaire by 18 is a hard task, you know that. But if your goal is that, you're at the right place. In this life, you're either a rich person or a poor person. 99% of people that are going to watch this video are broke and they're going to die broke. I hope that you're the 1% that is going to listen to this and apply it and become a multi-millionaire in the near future. Do you know what a rich man and a poor man do that sets them apart? I'll tell you, it's their mentality. These 8 principles are going to wake you up and they will make you have the same mentality as a rich person. So let's dive deep. At number 1, we have something that's common knowledge: slave to king. If you the viewer, if you want to be a millionaire one day, just remember that you need to be a slave for a period of time. You need to be a worker. That does not mean you have to work for a salary or for someone else. I'd say working for a salary is the worst thing that you can do as a teen that's trying to build his business to the next level. Just work for yourself and grind and grind and grind. Do the things that nobody wants to do. Do tax, study, anything that's going to set you apart from the rest. And at the end of the day, after you apply all those things, just remember you're going to be a step above the rest. Let's say a step above the sheep. Why? Because you are going to know stuff that other people don't know. That's why I think school is a scam. Do you think the government really wants you to learn and to be a successful person? No, they want to keep you in their race, the rat race, a 9 to 5 every day until you're 65. That's why they try to apply this to teens. Why do you think teenagers start school at 7, 8 and go until 18? I'll tell you why. That's calculated by the best of the best. That's the age you can be manipulated and programmed into their beliefs. If you study those things that I said, if you study sales, taxes, math, and so on and so on and so on, you'll achieve way more than the rest of the people. At number 2, we have something that you probably didn't know. That's to dress older. Let's say you're 16 at the moment and you're wearing a hoodie with a cool design in front. And now you need to go and meet a 60-year-old businessman. Nothing wrong with that. Business is business, like I said. But if you're dressed with a hoodie with a cool ass design, that businessman isn't going to take you seriously. So you have to dress smart. Look at me. Am I wearing a brand? Yes, there's a cool sticker here, but that's it. Wear plain shirts. You see, this is a black shirt. Every single day I wear plain shirts. A red shirt, a blue shirt, a green shirt, and so on and so on and so on. Plain, nothing a text. My beliefs in that is, if they aren't paying me to wear them, why promote another man's brand? So yeah, you should apply that too. You're probably asking yourself why. The simple answer is you're young. If you dress like a boy, you're going to be a boy in your body and in your soul, and people won't take you seriously. So this is a very important point. Write it down. At 3, you have to be humble. Being humble is one of the greatest things that you can master in your teens. Remember, you have years to come and to flex and whatnot else. But for now, please place your head down and just work. Another example of being humble is to listen to people that are less successful than you. Let's say, if I sit with people that make 10 times less money than me, but they are older and more wiser, I'll still listen to them. Because money isn't everything. That's because of respect. Listen to your elders. Even if they're broke, don't take their advice for money, but take their advice overall. Listen to it, you don't have to apply it. At number 4, we have dating. As a teen, dating is totally bullshit. It's not real, it doesn't bring you anything. I'll tell you why. When you're 14, or let's say 16, you aren't mentally grown yet. So, you tend to like people that you don't like in the near future. I guarantee you, your friend group right now, if you're 13, 14, will 100% change by the time you're 18, 19. So those friends and you think loved ones, don't listen to them. Don't fall in love and don't do that. Or you can go with one and be a full-time thing. But casual dating, remove that from your life. At number 5, like I said in number 4, we have friends. It's sad to say, but your friends will leave you. I have friends from elementary school. We promised we would not separate, but sadly, in less than 2 years, we lost all contact. I don't need people in my life that are going to drag me down. I need people that are going to push me up, make me a better person on a day-to-day basis. I'll be honest, my old friends drinking, smoking, riding motorbikes, going to clubs and whatnot else. Do you think me going to those places and doing the same things will give me a better ROI than me sitting here on a Friday night recording videos for you guys? No, it won't, because as I said, you have to leave people behind. That's how life works, sadly. At number 6, this is a very important point. I highly recommend you to write it down. God will test you in the near future when you make it. Because if you listen to this, you're a serious person. I can tell you that. God will put a challenge in front of you and He will test you. He'll make your business shit. He'll give you shit months. He'll give you bad opportunities. He'll give you bad decisions. And that's not all. Let's say after you make your first million, you decide to get $5,000-$10,000 to do a money spread and to also rent a G-Wagon on a day-to-day basis and get drunk every single day. God will see those things and He will punish you. He will take all your fucking money. The entrepreneur starts as soon as you make your first million, to see if you can double it every single year and make more and more and more and more. At number 7, this is very important. They are all important, but this one is by far the best. Invest when you're young. If you start to invest at a young age, you will also invest when you're older. When I say investing, I don't mean into crypto, into forex, into stocks and whatnot else. I mean to invest here in your brain. Read books, listen to podcasts, talk to people, exchange. You give information, I give information. Learn. Yes, investing and making a portfolio into crypto is good, but you don't need it at 14, 15. Let's say you turn 17 and you have like $10,000 from your business. From those $10,000, put 8 into crypto. The 2, put them in your account. Not to spend on anything, but to have social proof and to give you a little bit more freedom. Let's be honest, if you're 16 right now and let's say you want to spend $100 on investing, I don't recommend it, because at most you can double it in a couple of years. At number 8, we have a very key moment. Money amplifies you. Money is just a piece of paper. There's people out there that just print money from thin air. But that piece of paper literally amplifies you. If you're a dork right now and you become rich, you're a super dork. If you're a nerd and you become rich, you're a super geek or a super nerd. If you're a G right now when you're poor, when you're broke, and you get money, you're a top G. Like I said, if you actually listen to what I said and if you actually sit down and apply it, I guarantee you by the time you're 18, you'll be a millionaire. I highly guarantee you that. Now, because I know how young people are, I'm sure you didn't understand them. I highly recommend you to rewatch it 1 to 2 more times. If you genuinely do that, you're 2 steps closer to becoming rich. If you don't, I'm sorry, but you lack the motivation and discipline to do it. Good luck, I hope you do it. Also, a key note is to be happy always. Drink Red Bulls. You see, while making this video, I drank 2 Red Bulls. You need to have energy, because energy controls this world. Remember, if you have energy, you have the perspicacity to perceive, you will make it in your day-to-day life. Remember a couple of more things. People will doubt you on a day-to-day basis. Don't try to defend yourself. Take it, let it energize you. Let it give you power to conquer, to do more. Let's say you go to bed at 10 p.m. If you're sad and depressed and you can't sleep, go to bed at 2 a.m. Work. Wake up at 6 a.m. motivated. Do work. And if you stick to that, I don't care if you go to school or a job, either way you're going to be a millionaire. Because I highly doubt when you make $10,000 a month you'll go to a job or to school. If your parents don't agree with that, just leave home. Who's going to stop you? You're making $10,000 a month. Like I said, rewatch it 2 times, maybe 3. The more you rewatch it, the more these things need to be second nature to you. If I wake you up at 2 a.m., you should repeat them all. Please, I highly guarantee you, if you rewatch this 2-3 times, you're going to make way more money than you do right now. Have a good day, guys. Have a peaceful day. Be motivated. Believe in yourself. Match your frequency with your vibration and become Zen. Be the most happy and productive person on this planet today.